So today we've got another Thursday little plant drop. We've got a nice selection of plants for today. So let's have a look and see what we've got on the shelves today. So first of all, we've got these hydrangeas. These are easy to care for in a garden, bring lots of colour. These are selling at £8.99 and they're just flying off the shelves. Absolute star bargain of the day. And also on the next shelf, we've got these blueberry bushes. Grow your own blueberries. You can plant these in the garden border or in a container. And these are £3.99 a piece. And these are also selling out so quickly. I think that's a good price really. We've got a lavender. There must be some more lavender somewhere. There's on offer this week. And to add some colour to the garden, we've got these asters. Add some light colour to the garden. And these are £1.99. And they've also disappeared really quickly. £1.99. We've got some more hydrangeas over the back here. Give them lots of water. We've got some white ones and some pink ones, and there's some blue ones just at the bottom there. These are £8.99 and they're absolutely flying up the store. We found the lavender. This is 6-pack, perfect for the bees and butterflies. Plant these in pots or borders. They're £4.99. They're looking really good. They're going well too. Clematis. We've got various varieties. So many purple flowers, pink fantasy, pillow, blue angel, Worstica nights. These will produce lots of flowers if cared for. These are £4.99 and that's a good price too. We've got the greenhouse plants and also the lilies from last time, £9.99 and £7.99 respectively. We've also got the green plants. These were £7.99. These ones were £2.99. And we've got some of the chilies still left over. So let me know, what will you choose from any of these from Lidl today?